YZ125, my new build. Before I touched it, let's see how it rides. Hey guys, Rado here, Dirt and Iron. Here behind me is my 2001 YZ125 that I want to build in this one-of-a-kind motocross bike, a motorbike, and it's gonna take some time. But before I do that, before I take everything apart, I wanted to take this bike on a track and see how it feels, how it rides before I touch the bike. Spin couple laps, see how it feels. This thing looks like it needs a lot of love, and I'm gonna give it to her for sure. And look at this huge tank. Front brake is out because it's leaking the oil from the fork seals. This clutch is too far, it's kind of hard to pull. This is very short handlebars and kind of weird because it has the risers. Overall, I think this bike feels awkward, but let's spin a couple laps and see how it goes. Somebody's down. Oh, I'm jumping all over the place. The suspension is not really eating those braking bumps and acceleration bumps. It is jumping on the top, so I don't feel like I have good control over the bike. You know that feeling like you hit a bump and then it will give you a strong kick to your hands. The bike doesn't want to settle. Alright guys, one thing I want to say, definitely a lot of potential. A lot of potential. This thing, okay, it feels terrible in my hands. I have to be honest. The way everything is right now, the bars, you know, the risers and then the seat, the way it is, and the huge tank and everything, it feels super awkward. Like it's way different than how I would set my bike. The bars are super narrow and high, and just this little bit of playing with ergonomics will throw you off. Like it threw me off completely, and it just feels so weird and not comfortable at all riding. And you know, even like hitting jumps and coming to the turns, I'm maybe like I was like maybe 70%. I didn't want to push it because it just doesn't feel good. But that's something I was expecting, because looking at everything, yeah, I wasn't expecting to have a great time today. So, but I wanted to ride it before we take it apart. I wanted to ride before we do all the work, and then once we are done, I want to have these 2 videos, you know, back to back and see the difference. So definitely a lot of potential, as I said. I like the engine pulls pretty good. Once it's on the pipe, it's fun, and it is stock. We will have better carburetor, we will have better jetting, we will have better porting, we will cut the head, maybe we'll go a little bit race gas. We'll see what we do, but definitely we'll get way more power, more bottom, more top, more everything out of this engine. We'll go with the new reeds, a new exhaust system and everything. So I'm expecting quite a bit. Even now it's not bad. Camera is shaking a little bit. Even now it's not bad, but I think once we are done with it, it's gonna be really good. I have to hold the camera in my hand because it's too windy. So definitely a lot of potential, and I look forward to do the project. In my next video, I'm gonna ask you, because I have certain options what I can do with the bike. So in my next video I want to ask you, and maybe we can do a little poll or something. We'll decide together how we're gonna do this bike, but I think it will be amazing. It will run good, and it will be 2001. We're not gonna change anything. We'll play a little bit with the design, but plastic and everything stays OEM stock 2001. I'm stoked, I'm happy to get to work and start working on this 125. Alright my friends, let me know what you think, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.